We have a lot of pants to get through, guys. Wow. Well, you guys asked for this, so it is what it is. Anyways, guys, welcome back to the studio. Welcome back to Kotini Korner, me, Josh Dan. Hope you guys are well. Hope you guys are swell, man. And I feel like today's episode is going to be really cool, man. So I've been getting a lot of queries about where I get my pants for the sneakers that I rock and the way I style them and so forth. But so we're going to get into that. Sorry for this thing shaking. I actually need to stop bumping it. I don't know why it's actually so loose, but I'll figure something out with my mic. Anyways, guys, if you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. I'm Joshua Dunn. This channel is all about fashion, sneakers, and gaming. I hope you guys have been enjoying the content coming out from last week. I really have been busy, and I hope you guys do appreciate that, man. So, I just wanted to go through pants that I've been wearing throughout winter, or the ones that I feel that make me feel comfortable, make me feel the best. And most of these outfits, or most of these pants, are also like really affordable. So it's good for your sneakerheads as well, because sometimes it's tough finding pants that you like and pants that are affordable, because pants can be expensive sometimes. I don't think people really get that. Some person's outfit can cost 10k, and that's just the clothes, and the clothes might not even be high-end clothes. It might just be streetwear brands, and that's expensive, So I feel like it's also my job to make this make these things as accessible as possible for you guys. So I hope you guys do enjoy this episode. So let's get started. Okay, we can get started now that I've adjusted the mic. Now you guys can see me better, man. So I just want to go through my outfit that I'm wearing today. So I got in the Jeep 5-panel hat. This bomber that I'm wearing is a bomber from Fubu. Pants that I got on pants from H&M, and I'm wearing the TRC Pumas that I had been gifted. So let's get into it. I want to see if I can. Okay, it's gonna be a tough. Okay, so the first pair of pants we got are these pants that I feel like kind of stumbled upon me when I was window shopping, and these are camping shorts that I got from Mr. Price Sport. Now, what I love about this is that it just falls over your sneaker all the time, and no matter what sneaker I've thrown against, it always just looks good. I've recently started wearing them with my dad's shoes, and they look really good as well. I just haven't taken any fits, but these pants are amazing, and I got these from Mr. Price Sport. They do actually have a lot of pants at Mr. Price Sports that you guys can go check out, and I do recommend that you guys do go check it out. I got this in a size 36, but I think I got these when I was a bit more chubbier, or like a bit more chunkier, so these probably do sit nicely. I'm just gonna have to get them with a belt, so I would recommend these. You guys can see how they sit on me. It's an amazing pair of pants, and obviously I got them for the wrong reasons, because they're camping pants, but it is what it is. And I think I paid about $2.99 for them, so that's like really good. It's really a decent price for that, and I think they were $500, but $2.99. I think these pants do go on the sale a lot at Mr. Price Sport, so you guys should go check it out. Okay, pants number 2. So these pants are also from Mr. Price Sports, and these are in a, what size are these? This is an XL, so this is like part of their all-terrain type section, and you can see it's all squiggy over here. It's like elasticy, but you can still like rock like a belt with these. And the cool thing is that these fall on your shoes exactly like these previous pants that I just showed you. And the cool thing is that they have a detachable part of the pants over here, so if you're getting hot, you can turn into shorts when you are hiking, or even when you're doing anything. Like, I just think it's like a really cool thing, because tech wear, I think, is a huge thing. It's been a huge thing for me during this winter, if I'm being honest, and I think a lot of people do actually ask me where I get my pants from. So a lot of my pants, when it comes to tech wear, is from Mr. Price Sports. So I think I paid $1.99 for these, and that is amazing. As you guys can see on the picture itself, like, it looks really good. Like, they fall on my shoes really nicely, and I think that's all you want when it comes to a sneaker, man. Okay, so we have the third pair of shorts, and these are cargo pants from H&M. So these are my babies, man. I've worn these things to death. I honestly love them. I love them to death. I got these in a size 34. Obviously my sizes vary between brands, but yeah, and these have just served me so well. I think these allowed me to get into it before what's his pants called again, guys? Before cargos became like really popular in SA. And what I also like about this is that it comes with the drawstring right over here, so you can tighten your pants if you want to. And I think I paid about, and this was probably like 3 years ago, so I probably paid about 300 rand for them. So obviously I think the prices have varied, have changed, but this is how much I paid for them. And I think I always say, like, I don't think your guys should actually go to Cotton On, to be honest. I think if you guys do want really good quality and affordable pants, I think H&M is the way to go. And this is not a paid promotion. This is just keeping it 100 with you guys, because that's what we do on this channel. You know what I'm trying to say. So the next pair of pants are a pair of Levi's. So I picked these Levi's up for 199 rand, and I've got these from the outlet store. If you guys are based in Joburg, the outlet store is in Woodmead, and if you guys are based in Durban, I think Springfield Park is where I'm assuming, I think that's where all the outlet stores are. But yeah, so let's get into these. So this is a 511. Now with Levi's, I always have to go up 2 sizes from my original size, because my legs are just, I feel like my quads are just too big for the pants, you know what I'm trying to say. So these are 511, so this is a waist is 38 and the leg is 34. Now I think the mistake I made before I got these was the fact that I didn't check the leg length. Now I'm 183, I'm pretty tall, and a leg length for 34 is like, it gets stuck at the bottom, which I did not like, you know, so I had to like tailor it and cut it myself. So yeah, here's how it looks. So yeah, the pants, I really like the stitching on the black itself. It looks really good. If you guys can see right here, that stitching looks really nice. And I mean, like, you know, Levi's jeans, they last forever. You know, that's the beauty of them. That's why a lot of people pay a lot of cash for them. And this is where I cut it over here. I don't know if you guys can see the flaring over there. So that's where I cut these jeans. And I mean, these jeans really, they feel good in the body, all of that. And I think, you know, it also looks really good with sneakers. I was very skeptical on how they look with my sneakers, but as you guys can see, like, they've really passed the test, and they've really been able to get me going in terms of the sneaker ways, you know what I'm trying to say. So the other pants that I'll be wearing are another pair of cargo pants from H&M, and these ones are probably, oops, I'll drop that. These are probably my babies. These have lasted me the longest. These have seen literally all the groove. I didn't even know these things. They were on these blotches were on here. I just took these out of my wardrobe, and clearly they weren't cleaned properly. So that's yikes. But yeah, so these cargos are exactly like the black ones, but as you guys can see over here, when I pull out over here, can you see that this fade over here? This means that these have been worn a lot and have been washed a lot, but they've lasted the test of time. I have no problems with them. It also has the drawstring over here, as you guys can see. It's lasted me forever, and that's why I literally swear by H&M when it comes to pants, because I feel like I've never been disappointed by their pants. Like, for however I've worn their shit for, like, I've never been disappointed. Now we're on to the last 2 pairs of pants. So the first one that I'm going to be talking about, well, my phone dropped. The first one I'm going to be talking about are these. I think these are the last 2 pants I'm going to be talking about are the most techiest, because this one has this, it doesn't actually have like a cotton material or like your normal jean material. It's more like hella techie, and you can see it's already, you know, you can open up for shorts, and these things don't have the drawstring, but what I love about them is that they fall on your pants. As you guys can see, it falls, and I styled them with the Spirit-Ons, and it looked really good. And I think I paid about like 199 with these. And what I like about them is that they're very breathable. So what's really cool is that you can wear them in summer as well, and you won't feel too hot. So I got this in an XL, and yeah, man, this has literally saved a lot of my fits in winter. I actually haven't come up with the colorway for these pants, but they seem to go along with a lot of my outfits. So I think that's really what you want, you know what I'm trying to say. And the last pair of pants that I'm going to be talking about are these tech wear pants from H&M. I think this is also in the outdoor section, and this is in a large size. So you know, most of my things that I get from H&M are in large sizes, and this is from H&M's tech side. And what I do love about it, so it has like this cool little tech belt right here that you can tighten your pants with. You know, you get your zips in the back here, which is really cool. As you can see in the photos, it really is nice. And what I also love about it is that it's also detachable. So if it gets too hot, you can detach it, you know what I'm trying to say. And I mean, like, they have a lot of cargo-ish pockets all around the pants and stuff like that. And these also are not drawstring, but they do sit on your shoes amazingly. Like, that's why I wanted to show you this. Most of these pants and cargos are straight leg. They're not tight, they're not anything. And I feel like they are, why I'm talking about them is that they for both sizes. I mean, they're for big boys and they're for smaller boys, you know what I'm trying to say. Even for girls, if you guys want to rock this, you guys can rock this shit, you know what I'm trying to say. Because they do have every section, even women's, kiddies, men's sections for those outerwear things. So yeah, man, the brands that I mentioned were Mr. Price Sports, H&M, and yeah, and Levi's. I couldn't find my light wash Levi's. I think those are dirty and they're getting cleaned. But yeah, man, those are the pants that I've been wearing throughout winter. If you guys have any more questions, please shoot in the comment section if you want me to know, if you want me to do more pants. Like, I have so many pants in my wardrobe. It's actually disgusting. I think I am indeed a hoarder. I actually need to get rid of a lot of clothes, but you know, sometimes you find clothes for certain moments in time, so it's hard to let go of everything. But anyways, guys, let me know if you guys want me to do more of these videos. This is Josh Dunn. Don't forget to keep it clean, keep it cool, keep it kicking. I'll be seeing you. Peace and love.